it's Miss Trish from the Warren-Trumbull County Public Library. I am here to share a story with you from this book called Cook Up a Story. And the title of my story is called Sleeping Fruity. In a kingdom far away, there was a tall glass castle where a beautiful baby princess was born. Her skin was as red as a rose, and she looked just as sweet as berries. There we go. On her first birthday, 3 good fairies came to the castle to give the princess their magical wishes. From the first fairy's wand came a sprinkle of crystal. It was very crystal sparkles, and she said, "Nature's treat, I'll complete. May you be forever sweet." Now from the second fairy's wand came a stream of pure white. And she said, "Glistening cream, see it gleam. May you live a happy dream." Then out of nowhere came a wicked fairy. Angry at not being invited, she pointed her wand at the princess and she said, "I have my own fruity for this little beauty. It's sour and green, and here's something mean. The princess will die when she turns 15. Add it in, just like that. And she went away. Everyone was horrified, but the last good fairy still had one magical gift left. And out of her wand came the loveliest smelling wish of them all. And she said, "I'll turn that curse into a sleep of bliss until she wakes with a loving kiss." There we go. And as the child grew, the king and queen did everything to protect her from harm. But they forgot about the pointy yellow spindle at the highest tower of the castle. Here we go. Add that right in. And just like the wicked fairy had said, when the princess turned 15, she went to that highest tower, pricked her finger on the spindle, and fell into a frozen sleep. And while she slept, the princess snored so loudly that she shook and rumbled the entire castle. After many years, a traveling prince heard the loud rumble and found the princess sleeping inside the castle. She looked beautiful and sweet, so he kissed her. And just as he did, Sleeping Fruity awoke. Her long sleep was finally over.